This is the Aiyino Hawaiian Christmas shirt with festive holiday design on there. The company sent me this product for review, but everything I say in this video is my own opinion. So it arrived just like this in a plastic bag. I just took it right out of the bag and I put it on. I've been wearing it around the house all day just to get a feel for it. So I'm a big guy. I weigh around 245 pounds at the moment, and I got this one in XXL. As you can see, the shirt is available in sizes from small to 3XL. It's 100% polyester and it is machine washable. We have various Santa Claus motifs all over the shirt. We got little trees, little dog, Santa holding the bag, snowman, all kinds of stuff on here. It is a 6-button shirt, button down. It's got a collar on here. One thing I like too is it has a small tag in the back so it doesn't irritate me. It's just a regular fit, short-sleeved novelty shirt. And I think the colors pop on it pretty good. It's very light, very airy. It's very comfortable. It's something I could wear with jeans, shorts, sweats, whatever I want for the most part. It's a little tight if I do start to reach or, you know, something along those lines. It doesn't feel like it's gonna rip or anything, but it's a little tight in the top. That's probably due to the fact that I'm just built this way. So it's probably not something I would wear golfing, put it that way. But the shirt would be good to wear, like say to a friend's party or over to a family gathering, or it's even sort of semi-formal, maybe like the yearly office event, something like that. Very lightweight, very airy. There you go, I like it.